I hope all of us are okay. So we are back again. Please, as you join, don't forget to like the video and share it. Comment as well. Let us start this program properly because I don't want to waste much time. I just want to do a quick video just to react to some of the celebrities that are now showing their true color. I've watched some of the videos of some of the videos of Igbo celebrity. I don't want to generalize it to celebrity in Nigeria, no. So I have to say it the way it is. This program is all about Igbo celebrities. You know, in Africa as a whole, especially in Nigeria, once you have followers on Facebook, once you have followers on TikTok, if you have a reasonable number of followers on YouTube and Twitter, you know, all these social media platforms, all of them, if you have followers there, you think you are a celebrity. That's Nigerian for you. TikTokers are also celebrity, right? Content creators that are not, no matter what you do, even if you are into, maybe your content is all about comedy, or you are somehow making skits, those funny video, or probably maybe you are doing prank. That's another one. You are a celebrity. Now, I will mention few of them, just few people from Igbo part of Biafra that think in fact, most of us see them as a celebrity. But to me, what celebrity should be is people that, you know, are very, very creative in terms of entertainment industry, not just making prank and all that. Those ones I don't see. Sometimes it's entertaining, but I don't see you as a celebrity. I don't. Some people may say, "Oh, what do they?" Because they command followers. Some of the followers they can also purchase it, and online celebrity sometimes is not what you can compare with the reality. Reality, like you can't compare it with the live interaction or when you meet them one-on-one and all that. Sometimes it's all about editing information and all that. So I don't see all of them as celebrity. Why are they not focusing on the issue? Why are they using their platform for money making? That's all. I will not blame them on that only. I have to blame everybody from Southeast, from Igbo race. We are more interested when it comes to making money, how we can. Okay, Excellence Wachuku, you are the first commentator. Brother Kai, good evening, my dear. Thank you so much. And our brother from Chile, that is Anthony Umeje. I see you. Hello, brother. Good afternoon from Chile. Keep it up. Watching from Chile. I know you already. I know you. Once I see your name, I know. Thank you so much for your comment, and please like the video. So these people, they are very careful with, you know, when it comes to anything that will tamper their platform or their celebrity. And very, very sad, some of them are emulating others. In fact, all of them. The only celebrity in our place today, as I speak, that is exempted are one. Before now, I cannot include another person. You know, Flavor, number one, Flavor. And Speed Darlington. Some of you may not even see Speed Darlington as a celebrity, but he is a celebrity because he's a musician. When you don't like his song, does not mean that he's not a celebrity. He's a celebrity. So Speed Darlington is one, Flavor is one, Speed Darlington is two. Apart from these two people, every other musician, content creators, influencers, movie, both actor or actress, whatever you may call yourself, all of them are in one ship. The only difference between them and politicians, governors, is just very, very slim. All of them are the problem that we're having from A to Z. Pardon, I will not, paint. I have some of them. Some of them are my favorites. Some of them I like them very well, but they are not good for us. They are problem of Igbo people, not even Biafra now, of Igbo race. Because what does Biafra has to do with soldiers going to villages to people in communities, and your platform looks so quiet on that because you don't want this your celebrity and your platform to, you don't want anything to happen to it. These people are very, very, very bad. They are not helping anything at all. If our place is like civilized, if our place is civilized, or maybe developed country like America, UK, all those European countries, by now people will be boycotting their videos and their whatever they're doing because of their poor contribution in making sure that people are safe. They use, first of all, they will make money with you, with your name, or with everything, because most of us are watching the video, right? First of all, they will be making money from that. Secondly, when anything happens to you, they will turn blind eyes. But you are the one making them relevant. The so-called poor people that doesn't matter in society, they don't have anything to offer, they are the one keeping them going. But in our own case, we are known for people that knows how to enjoy anything and accept anything and take it away. In fact, clap for them, they have done well. You see the one they called, I used to like him, this guy, Enem TV, the one that moving from one community to another community in South, right? Doing a very good job. I love what he's doing. He's also making money from that, a lot of money, and people are contributing money as well, supporting him, which is good. I'm not against it. But he will not turn back to criticize our people, blame the victim, and pretend that they don't know where the problem comes from. These are people that have access to many offices, to people in the government that most of us don't have. But for them not to be, seen as a problem to the government of the day, they choose to turn blind eyes when those things, when those crime or whatever that Nigerian army are doing in our place. They don't want to talk about it because they want to maintain the relationship and friendship and benefit from government. All of them want to move forward. They want to go forward. And Nigerian government, they are using, trying to use the word microscope, trying to examine, trying to see their activities and what they can offer, to know their ordeal. Then they can, okay, every now and then they give them this award. Like I keep on hammering an award. They will give you an award of this one. That the one they gave to Nonso Ngwa. Nonso Ngwa just received an award a few days ago. That award is to, okay, we have noticed that you are good in criticizing your people. Okay, keep doing it. We recognize you. A banner, green, white, green, ya ginon, ya can get off ya. Ibapota, ina call it. I work in guy, in a VC, the tax record. All of them, Facebook, once you have 50,000 followers on Facebook, 100,000, oh, they are celebrity already. Everything is, forget about it, they are now celebrating. And every issue they want to comment. If you can cast your mind back during the time of this past election, people were talking about oh, Armstrong, I see you, hi Kai, and Gil Chigozie, Eric Kiwapi. He said I have 5 kids. I guess what they don't know me. They don't know me, son. I don't know what we're talking about. And Armstrong, Diana, Godwin, Erin, I see you. I see Erin, I see you. I see your comment. Diana said, "Good evening, Kai report. These idiots is called themselves celebrities in different land are evil. They are part of the corrupt system in Nigeria. That is why they can't join Biafran freedom. Yes, my problem is not even they don't want to join Biafran freedom. My problem is that if you are dumb, you don't want to talk, right? Maintain the dumbness. Not when something is, maybe you think that, somehow it will affect your platform. Maybe you want to shoot content, because of Biafran, they don't want to go and shoot content. You jump out and start making video. And see, I keep on because my kind of person is different from the kind of person PM is. I am impatient. Do you understand? That's my weekend. I am impatient. I can't enjoy that kind of thing. I can't. And the way Biafran issue and Igbos are today, we need somebody like PM, to be honest with you. Somebody that is not in a haste to make a decision. Somebody that is not afraid of making a decision. Somebody that when he wants to do something, he don't look back. He will do it. Somebody that is able to listen, to pay attention to some things that ordinarily somebody like him will not pay attention to. But he managed to pay attention to that. That's a good sign. When you put into consideration all this they are doing and what I'm saying now about what is happening in Aba and in Igbo in general, you understand that they also know the people behind those things, but because of fear, somehow not even fear, but what they will benefit, they turn around and blaming something else. After blaming that thing, when those people that maybe Fulani herdsmen commit something, all of them went down. They will close their eyes. They don't know. They pretend that they don't read news. They only focus on their content. They don't read. They don't pay. In fact, they don't listen to any news whatsoever. But when something that has to do with all those elements that penetrate into our land, if there's any engagement or whatsoever, they are the one using their platform to voice out on behalf of these people. But when those people commit something, they all went to bed. They just pretend that they are sleeping. They can't see. They don't hear. If I am in position of PM, that nonsense will stop. I will start dealing with you. That's just fact. I will start dealing with you because most of you are very, very, very bad. Very, very, very bad and corrupt. Imagine what you would do if what they would do if they're in position of governorship. You see how they are reacting, what they can do with just little opportunity they have. That you control 100,000 followers and you become a problem to other people. Like the one they called Bushfather. Bushfather made a videos and said a lot of nonsense during election. Okay, because he want to. Every content creators were making video. They are making video to support, go and vote, go and get your PVC. All of them made a video. It was like a trend. Everyone must do it. Otherwise, I don't know if they have a union or they have a WhatsApp group where they will instruct everybody. Have you said something? Oh boy, I go to your page, you never say something about this. This time around, we have to do something. All of them made a video about it, including Untouchable. He made a video about it. Now, Men TV have joined them in that kind of behavior. Obi Cubana, with all your money, with everything you have, when things happen in our land, you turn blind eyes because of your companies outside Igbo land. These are people that if Nigerian government call them for a meeting and say, look, we have noticed that you have this, your brother from Southeast want to break up Nigeria. And you know your business is here, right? Obi Cubana, you have to give us 100 million to buy something that we will use to buy people in Southeast to maintain the one. Otherwise, your business will go. he will say bring account and release the money immediately. You talk of I'm coming to another person that's very close to Cubana. You can before you click on the video, you must have seen his picture. His name is Cubana Chief Priest. We are coming to his own. Then you have other content creators like what is the name of this guy? Not Sabidus is different. Another one they called Brenjata. Everything that happened in Igbo land, he don't talk about it with his platform. He don't say anything. These are Igbo people controlling social media. All of them. All of them. Most of them are not even as big as some people think when it comes to followers and followership and all that. But the little one you can do, you don't do it. Why I'm saying about why I'm touching on those content creators is because the same thing goes to actors. From what is the name of this? The one they said is that always acts kanayo, down to all of them except one. Just like we have it in music, like I have mentioned Flavor and the spiritualism. These two guys are exempted to me, my own record. Then when it comes to actors and actresses, the only person that is exempted is Chiwotarago. Only person. Others are problem to our people. And why they are so famous and so rich is because all of us, most of us are backing them up. Oh, Igbo actors, our Nollywood brothers, our Nollywood actors. What do they put in the movie? Not what concerns about, not what we go through in Nigeria, never. Even if we are not allowed to put that kind of video, fine. Your comment, your effort, in your own little way, zero. Mention one of them. As old as Chiwotarago was able to face military, defending who he is. When they arrest him, they bring him to DSS. What did he say? That he went, as they when they lock him up in the DSS, I think he spent a few days there, right, before they bailed him out. He said that what gives him joy so much, what gives him joy was that he was told that someone told him that Nnamdi is up and he's down in the same building. That gave him more strength. Chiwotarago is not the same age. He's not the same age with Master Nnamdi. But that spirit, that love, that's together because you know who you are. Guess why he is why he's different. According to him, during the Biafran War, he said that he was part of people that they sent to go and give like water, carry this and go and bring to people that are going to war. Then he was going, they were sending him message. Maybe he was too tender, he was too small that time. They were giving him, they were sending him messages. Bring this and carry this gravel, bag of gravel and go and keep there. That was what he said. That was his role. And doing that alone energized him and made him who he is today. It's not as if the opportunity that he had that made him who he is today we are not witnessing it. We do. But some of us, we never ever learn until this crime happened to our own siblings or to us. Then our eyes will now be open. Why don't we learn from what is going on with our brothers? When you see that they kidnap this person, that kidnap another person, you should learn from that. It's a very big lesson for you. Igbo people have this idea. They say that na ya fụkwa ihe mere onye ọzọ, ya afọ ebe ihe na-eme onye ọzọ, ya ewere nke izizi na ome ugboro ịbụa, nke ịtọ ya mara ihe mbesi ya mba na ịdara ya na ọ bụ na ya amakwa ebe shi ọmọta gị wa na nke ajọ nke ịbụa Ugbole ka ị ga-eme gị mara ihe ọsọ that na ome ya nke izizi ofume ha anya. The first one says 2, the second one said 1. Na ome ha anya nke izizi na ya ga-amara ihe. Ọ sị ya mba na ọkpọkwa ya tụrụ ime gị, n'ọkwa ya tụrụ ime gị. Jose dị nke ikpeazụ, ugbole ka ihe ga-eme gị mara ihe. Ọ sị ya na ọ na-afọ ha n'oge ọ na-eme onye ọzọ, ihe a na-eme onye ọzọ ka a ga-eji mara ihe, ma na datin mere onye ọzọ nwere ike imekwa ya nwa. Why I'm saying that is that if you don't want to learn, you are doomed. And we are not, our DNA does not show that we are people that are, very weak and lazy, even in thinking and action. We are not like that. And where we have, I don't know how today we are very, 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 slow in whatever we're doing. I have seen some, even imagine this new generation, after analyzing what happened before the war, after the war, what is going on now. Some of us are still blaming Ojukwu. You are still blaming Ojukwu. Like I always say, we don't preach violence. I don't. What I'm saying is that for the betterment of our people, otherwise, the agenda that is coming, the plan of these people is to exterminate everybody, to render you useless, and you will not like it. You will not like it. Last month, this youth that these people buy in the Imo River, if you tell them that they will be a victim of Nigerian army, this is coming June. If you tell them just maybe April, first week of April last month, or even May last month, yeah, because now we're in June. So if you tell the first week of May, if you meet these people and tell them, look, brother, you'll be a victim of Nigerian army. Come next month, June. They will say you are joking. They will laugh and start laughing at you. They are drunk. But today, what do you think will be going in the mind of these people when soldiers ask them to go to the river? What do you think would be like? Have you asked yourself what they were thinking? Knowing fully well that today they are going to buy you for no reason, no sin, nothing whatsoever. So you think that they born them to buy like that? No. These are victims of circumstances. If you live in abroad, you don't know what will happen to you tomorrow. That's why you need to condemn this nonsense, this monster. Otherwise, it will penetrate everybody. It will consume everybody. And celebrities are now defending their evil because they don't want to lose anything. After all, they're making money. Anything that will tap out with that, their source of income, which is platform, their fame and everything, is what they don't want. They don't want it. Mention one celebrity that is, you can say, okay, apart from this person. I've just mentioned only two. In terms of music industry and movie industry, only one person. In my own calculation. So another person that I think that may have this kind of understanding could be Kemowo, but he's not vocal. He's very, very quiet as well. But I don't count quiet people as part of anything. I don't count quietness as a part of contribution. I don't. If you don't talk, walk the walk. If you don't talk and walk the walk, and if you don't talk and you don't walk, we have offers nothing, not your money. Sometimes because all of them will say they don't have money. We have seen how most of them are begging money when they're for sick. So I don't even expect them to give money, to bring money. You understand? So, but your actions, you have every opportunity to portray Nigeria the way it is with your movie. Even if you want you to go on exile and start shooting, because you are in war, Don't wait until they start burning your house, make this your mansion. When the cities are blessed, then only you realize, oh, there's war. But when they're burning your neighbor's house, you don't consider what soldiers going to a village and burn more than 100 houses a go. So what is the difference between that and war zone? What again do you want to happen before? Is it you think that they have to start pieces people's body and cook it and eat before you know that? I don't know what else you want. And this one, coming to Coming to Cubana Chief Priest, what he called himself. I will play his video here. Okay, I will play him. The reason why I'm bringing him is because he is the. If you ask me today, he is. If I don't even need. I don't. He's in another level when it comes to Iberibe. He's in another level. He's in another level, and I will bring. I don't know him in person. He did not do anything wrong to me. I'm just reacting based on, as an Igbo man I am. Okay, as an Igbo man I am. I'm just reacting based on that. This is a very short video, I think, and some seconds, but I hope the voice will be audible enough. But watch him before we can. If the voice is not okay, please let me know. Then I will not bring it closer, but I will flip the camera the other way around. Start from beginning.
Support the government, it's not support the police. One nigga won the police. One nigga won the army. Police
In another, just for some of you that don't understand what he said, that if you say you don't like government, and you don't like any army, you start buying army, buying police, and you are buying your people. Okay, any country that doesn't have army and police, who will be the leader? Not possible. Now, and the only thing you can do if you don't like government, you wait when it comes to election. You see this his finger that he just trying to tell you that you use this your finger and vote the person out. Coming from this guy, you see why I said that these people, some of them are more dangerous than current governors. I'm telling you, to be honest. This one, this guy now, I begin to see who puts them as a saint to compare him. I will tell you why. Imagine the mentality and the reason, what he can tell, how he can deceive everybody. He's not the governor yet. Imagine what he would do if you make him governor. Knowing what he knows, even his dog knows that votes don't do anything. And this guy is one of the, in fact, he's part of the Imo state government. Immediately, Hope of them begin to do garagara in Imo state. This guy, bring himself very close to Hope of them. Armstrong, what link are you sending here, please? What kind of link is it? Armstrong, can you tell us what link is it a mistake? What you send here, is it a mistake? It looks like machine language. So this guy is one of the people that always use his influence in Imo state government. He celebrated the winning of Hope Uzodinma like no other. When Lagos State government started burning and destroying businesses in Lagos, Igbo businesses in Lagos, he went there and started doing high five and cheers with the Lagos State government. When Igbo people were voting against the government of Soulu in Lagos, he went there. Armstrong, can you delete the message? Remove. Okay, remove. I don't know if I can remove this. Okay. So he went there and started doing high five, forcing himself to prove a point in the Lagos State because of what he's getting. Now you are telling people, after knowing what you know, even many of us, many Igbo people don't believe that election is not working in Nigeria, right? The last election proved everybody. It was very, very clear like never before. Very, very, very clear to everybody, right? And this one, because he's part of APC, he don't see anything wrong with the past election. He don't see anything wrong with what Lagos state government are doing in to Igbo business. He don't see anything wrong with it. Andrew who? Mention your name. He said, shut up. Biafros. If I call you up now to defend you what you are saying and you start making noise, I am not against you with your Nigeria, but you shouldn't be against me with my Biafra. I don't know if you put your brain somewhere. You just jump into the program and start talking. You don't even know what you're talking about. Anyway, I will allow you to learn and listen. I will not block you. I will not block you. So this guy here is part and parcel of Hope Uzodimma's people. And what just listen, because when you said you don't like government, just you look at Trapia. Mention one person that you have tackled with the vote. One person in Nigeria. You see, for some of them, some of us, some of our people, respecting him and celebrating him more, Cubana Chief Priest. What have we gained with your money? You are rich, you are this, you are that. What have we? Can we boast of anything because of your influence, because of your money? Armstrong, let him say his mind. Don't delete his message. For now, let him say his mind. He said, Igbo in Lagos are okay. We are fine. All your people in the East are always looking for trouble. So for you to see how gullible you are. You are also trying to comment like that you are an Igbo person, that Igbos in Lagos are okay, that we are okay, making you an Igbo man. Then you now come back again and say, your level, you alone, we are fine in Lagos because you know that you are not an Igbo man. You see how criminal people can be. At your age, you are this corrupt. Oyen Zuzu. Who teach you this one? Is that okay? Google Translator is helping you because you don't know anything about it. If you say you're a man, I dare you to call this program. Let me drop my number if you want. Just comment, say that you will call. I will give you a WhatsApp number. If you say you have balls, you have something between your legs, call this program. Let me give you a number so you call and tell us how wise you are. Okay. So this guy you are seeing here, let's continue with just pay attention to. It's a short video, but I want you to listen to many of them, not only even P Square, they are problem. You see P Square, they are all the problem. All of them from A to Z. That is why I said, like the audio that we played in our first our broadcast before, that person says something very interesting, that some of them want Igbos to cry, beg for food, and make it Southeast, ungovernable. Then the reason why they did that is because they want Igbo people to cry like people are crying in the north. It could be true, and they started doing that by controlling who will be governor and who is not governor. Hope Uzodimma became governor of Imo State. This guy is from Imo State. He knows but as long as he's living the kind of life he's living now, buying, expensive car, living large, it doesn't matter how many head we roll. Any head I want to roll, let it roll. As long as he maintains this, his Malawi. Let's continue. Excuse me. I don't want any funny sound here. Okay.
ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị ndị Igbo na-atụsi ụjọ ịlọta ụlọ maka ọha lọtapụ ụlọ na-eme biznes maka ndị nọ n'Owerri ihe a na-aṅụchara nwa biya ha Lagos na Abuja ha bata weekend ụta akpọsa everywhere ego abata na system like agba Christmas kịta ọwụ mgbe Christmas na-azụchi ike ụzụcha ahịa Christmas mgbagote ọbụrụ moto ọfụrụ ọbụrụ biznes ọbụrụ mana mpeziri dị slow and dịka ndị Igbo chikwuo mbugharị ka eji ere mbe onye mere m jikọrọ akpa kpalie si ka ndekwa meka sure na mpụ iri ma ha na-adị eri n'Owerri bịakwutekwe ha na Lagos na-akọwakwara ha sị na enwekwa ihe mebiri emebi n'ụlọ na ụlọ adịkwala mma ndị omekome kwanụ na ndị ọjọọ na-eme ka ha wụrụ na ha ga-emebi Igbo ndị iberibe ka ha wụ maka ile anya Igbo alaala azụ bifo ihe insekuriti ebido ndị dịka Dr. Ned Okonkwo imoni ha ị ga-ahụcha ụdịrị manshọn ndị ha ruru n'obodo ha so abịa nwee competition among ourselves onye ọbụla na-achọ ịla ụlọ gaa rụọ maka Igbo na like ịma aka we are inspirations to ourselves so ihe ndị omekome mebiziri wụ ha bịaziri bịa mee ka a ghara ịhụ ọgaranya ahụ ọgaranya egbuo ya asị ọwụ onye ọjọọ asụsụ.
Please, I want somebody to correct me when he said buying under ọgaranya, that's rich people, buying them in the Igbo land. Please, I am confused here. Maybe I'm not saying that I'm sure of what I'm saying, but I'm talking about my own, to my best of knowledge. I keep on searching the rich man, the man that they buy in Igbo land, like because he invested something in Igbo land that buy him. Please, I really want to know, because all the people that he mentioned here, all of them are still they're living, and sometimes they are like this one. He said that he bring his business to Lagos because people are scared of coming back home. But we saw you in Owerri a few days ago. Even last day, before the election, during the election, you were there. When Hope they announced him as a winner of the election, you were there celebrating on the street. All these things, the videos are there. So when you want to go to support Hope Uzodinma, I need bad whole danger. There's no danger to go and celebrate. But when it comes to doing investments, I need bad secured. You see, what I was told that one of the former Ghanaian government buyed a lot of politicians to make that are corrupt, just to sanitize the system. It seems like our own will not be only in politicians, so it may also get to people like all the celebrities that we are talking about, because your money and your business is actually a problem to us. Not that we are envious of your success, no, but your quest to remain relevant and to remain rich and to acquire more wealth is endangering our life. That is just a fact. And some of you, even if you don't know how to keep quiet, few weeks ago, they arrested him that he spread money, right? He went there and paid money, cash, and come back. That's the marker. He's mention of a marker here. Like a marker that we are inspirational to ourselves. Yes, Jerry Lawrence. Yes, you are right. Amy Summer, you are right. Thank you so much for the name. So it seems like we are going to like when Biafra comes, and I hope that Biafran government in Ezra are taking note of some of these people, if not all. I'm not saying they should buy them. What I'm proposing is detention and jail, to put them somewhere because they need to pay for their this nonsense they're doing. And some of them, their quietness, and some of them are using their platform to yap nonsense. I remember when Peter Obi and Fanambaka was having issue whether Peter Obi went to Fanambaka for Bazaar's celebration and Bazaar feast and all that. He refused to donate money. That one, I remember almost all the Southeast content creators. They collected that issue from P2B, and all of them were attacking Mbaka, insulting Mbaka. Then, when Mbaka that you were there, when P2B saw those things, he think that he have people, right? Then, after he lost the election, none of them used their platform to even questioned INEC or anything. No, because they are scared. Once you have Quebec on your hand, they know how, before they talk, they will think. But if you are the type that say, okay, freedom of speech, let's just enjoy ourselves, say whatever you want. Oh my goodness, they will use they will use their camera and their platform to do nonsense. Let's continue so that I will not, miss my words. Please, you see another thing. When it comes to blackmailing, freedom fighters, they will tell you that Nago Dinoboda, as if Igbo land is a separate country already. That Ago Dina South but Odohona Lagos. That Ago Dina South is Odohona Abuja. The same thing they use when they want to tell you that sit at home is your problem. That our business are not, that people are people are dying of hunger because of sit at home. But in Nigeria, when they go strike, it's a government issue. This country, this country itself. Let's manage it the way you see it too. But you guys, some of you don't even know that the strike that labor union just organized a few days ago. Some hospitals, were shut down. NEPA closed everything. No light. Nobody complained about hunger, about issue. They were quiet about it. But sit at home Monday. The Southeast have lost 3 trillion. They have lost how many billions in 1 hour? Then when you ask them, okay, why don't you increase minimum wage of workers in Southeast? They will tell you, where do you see the money? Where's the money? Where's the money? There's no money. Okay, why don't you build hospital? It should come from federal government. But you just told us they are losing how many billions in a day. Why don't you use those billions that you are making in a day to build something? There's no money. States don't have money. How much are they giving our allocation? Nothing. Okay. They have passed the message. Forget about what you are trying to say again. You are Hope Uzodinma's boy. That is not the fact. Hope Uzodinma boy. Let me get you a video of him celebrating with Hope Uzodinma after the election. Let me get it. I think I have that video here. You see that Yoruba boy that were here making nonsense comments have disappeared because they think that people will pay attention to you. You are talks, not even you. The Yoruba people don't even know you. They don't know you. You are just one of the government messenger. Let me bring the. Wow, we are already spent for something minutes. So fast. I was thinking that this video would just be max 30 minutes. But let me quickly bring a few things because I have not even touched all the things that I wanted to touch here. Okay. I don't know. Some of you have seen okay, this is the video. Let me play it before I allow it to play. Please just bear with me because I want to be careful so that people that are on the platform will not. Okay. Okay, sorry about this. We cannot play the video. The sound will not come out. But let me flip the camera so you see. You see this same guy here that is talking. He's here celebrating Hope Uzodinma's victory. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, so this is the video. You see APC celebrating. This is the same guy that is telling you that. Let me look for him here. Okay, see him. Wait. Just pay attention. Okay, look at him here. This guy here, he is this one. This is Cubana Chief Priest. You can see him celebrating APC after election. And he's here telling you, no, okay, say me, you hate the government. No, we change next time. Katopia. Ndojo. Ndojo. Oyo Jojo. Look at him. See him here. Leading this crowd. And this our brother that posted this video said, "Who did you see there? Cubana Chief Priest is there. Wait, okay. Cubana Chief Priest is there celebrating hope. Also, the mass election rigging in 2023. Just last year. And the same Imo state that is not habitable. That he ran to Lagos to do business there because big men in the southeast that are buying them. They say they are bad people because he's scared. He knows his activities with Hope. So he's very, very watchful of his back. If you are eating with the devil, of course, you should be very, very afraid of Holy Ghost. You understand? Hope Uzodinma is almost 8 years as a governor, right? Going to 8. He have exhausted 4, right? Now, I have not seen any Imo-lite or Imo person that is proud of Hope. I have not seen one person that said, I love Hope, that Hope Uzodinma is doing well. One-on-one, I'm not talking about those paid people. Look at him here. Look at him. Wait. This is the guy telling you. Look at him. You see him here? This is him. Look at it. Celebrating. Just last year. Now he is here giving advice. Video don't lie. Video don't lie. So that is a Cubana Chief Priest there. That's a Cubana Chief Priest. Anyway.
Don't do it, etc. When I got the British passport, I say it very clearly and very openly because it is the truth. Pipeline on the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, sucking oil and gas free of charge all the way to Exeter. In England. Is anybody disputing it? Are you disputing it? Why do you think they want Fulani to be in charge? Because they know that if they have a Biafran in Asorok, if the person will rise up and say enough is enough, got this very oil and gas and pay for it. You don't understand that is why they support one Nigeria. You don't know that. You are pretending you don't know. And any idiot who claims they are for one Nigeria is because their family is benefiting from the chaos, the mayhem, the corruption, the backwardness, the arrested development, poverty, and deprivation that is afflicting them very soon. Zoological republic. It gives me pleasure indeed because they created you. The United Kingdom and Nigeria benefit from strong and enduring ties as Commonwealth partners. Which Commonwealth? Who created Commonwealth? Britain created the Commonwealth to house all their colonies together with the Queen as the head of Commonwealth. You don't understand how much I hate anybody, not just Nigeria itself. You cannot begin to fathom how much I hate anybody who refers to him or herself as a Nigerian, because you are the lowest of the low. Your education is meaningless. You are so foolish because you cannot reason very well. Who created you? That is my question. The woman or whose family created you is now writing to you and congratulating you. Commonwealth partners, and you will think there is something called Commonwealth. No, of course not. It's a club of ex-British colonies put together to remain subservient to Her Imperial Majesty the Queen of England. It's as simple as that. It takes people with common sense to understand this. Fools everywhere. She said, these are bonds that she said, these are bonds that I hope and believe will flourish into the future. Of course, it will flourish. As long as Nigeria remains one, Britain will continue to benefit. As long as it is one. The corruption which they planted, it was Britain that planted electoral malpractice in Nigeria. It was Britain that planted fraud, hardcore fraud, stealing. It was Britain. That was why Omar Diko ran to Britain when he stole, wait for it, £4 billion in mobile bank. Omar Diko.
And for your information, you know, I told us that Biafran Liberation Army, that they are on duty. 3,000 of them have been, you know, released. PM announced this. Was it day before yesterday? Because I could remember that I shared that on our program yesterday. I think he made that known to everybody yesterday, and we were able to bring it on this platform. Today, there's massive evangelism, massive deliverance, massive repentance. People are repenting and following the gospel. This one, I will just, let me share this with us, but the voice as well will be locked. Please don't ask me to play the voice, but you can watch it elsewhere, but not here, please. Just watch. This one in Enugu State, Abapanike. Let me allow the volume to play out just a bit. Today update. So the lady that made the video said that Ndami and the police go to come out so in Abapanik, because you know, once this kind of thing happen, they will jump out and do gara. Okay, this one is different, and this one is different. Okay, let me move to another thing, please. Let's move to another thing. This one is I forgot to mention Popo. You know, all of them, they are problem of Biafra or problem of our freedom. Now, this is the same Cubana Chief Priest. People that have put Imo State the way it is today, in the name that he's doing business. Look at him. Okay. Okay, this one is when he was backing P2B, because he made mention of voting people and vote what you like. So after voting, even he was bragging here that P2B have on Kai, he have Banaka, P2B is incoming president of Nigeria with the happiness and joy. And today, he's not telling you that he don't want to talk about what happened to, because he said he have Banaka, meaning that every that P2B will win the election. Then at the end, he don't want to talk about it anymore. He don't want to talk about it. Anyway, let me bring one thing before we come to an end of the broadcast. We are going to have let our that one for sure. I will try my best to be back. I'll try my best to be back. A lot of if I begin to share the videos about the atrocities of Nigerian army, you will be shocked. You'll be shocked. But for the sake of the platform, let's obey the rules and regulation. Well done, Wachineke. You are trying. Jisike Biafra is here already. Judith Nkechi, one of us. Thank you. And Diana said they are all confused. But they are all confused people and comedians. They will pay for for their actions in law of Biafra. We teach them. Okay, the law of Biafra will teach them all lessons they will never forget. That money, not everything. Home is home. Government will be the one who have the final say. But yes, so please let me share with us. This is not something that you guys have not seen. Okay, this is a video that somebody shared. Very very interesting. That from Enugu State to Aba, Abia State, 48 police checkpoint. Somebody drove through this road, and counted the checkpoint on this road. The total is 48. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at it. A lot of checkpoints, so many of them. Now wow. Now wow. Anyway, let me. The audio was very very fast, so the guy that recorded made a mistake. He thanks I think he used WhatsApp on that, and that was why the audio was not all friendly at all. Okay, let's move to another thing. Nigerian army has secret meeting on how to discussing about the Biafran Civil War. Look at it. Okay, on but there's something I want to share with us about that. This is what they are doing to people in our state. Look at this picture. You can see the picture, and this from Canada, Kano. Okay, we are not going to read anything here. Let me just skip it because I'm trying to rush this for me to cover everything that I want to share with us. You see, Biafran Liberation Army commander send a powerful message to Nigerian terrorist army and their Sabo working in Abia State, including some Biafran ladies living in Abia State and across Biafran land. Because ladies, of course, I know some women will be part of this nonsense. I know it is very very odious. Let me see what I said. Let's see if we can.
Send a warning to the people of Abia State. This is Commander Ubenka. I have nothing to say, just to send a warning to the people of Abia State, especially those in Ahofia local government. The report I'm receiving concerning those girls that normally visit.
Just pay attention because I'm trying to bring the volume the way it will be. Okay.
And the house and because they normally visit the soldiers in barracks and also in Mami. Let every parent caution their children, especially their female children. Because from henceforth, anybody, any girl found
out that you're not going to buy something, just you're moving around because of all those old foods called the Fulanis and the Hausamen. Because they give you one thing or the other. Where the man, the abacha, lie down upon your beautiful clothes, lie down there, they sleep over you. Don't rubbish. When they pregnant you, you now accuse any of Igbo boys. You name him Idika or Chidima. Why it is an Hausa blood?
Exactly.
Enough is enough. And henceforth, when we see you going there in that army, or we see you moving to army barracks, coming out from it, you tell us what you went there for. The people in our house, they are all Makana. I say, Ndana Gana Mami, Hakana Mami, and Ndana Anna. Now, Sunday, Pausa, no more good of the Hadina, put you in every idea for our boys. None of us here. I know not too much. One of the awful laugh with death. They came, and I'm going to give you. You lot them. I got you. Name and not going to come when you're now one day,
Okay, the video is 2. Let me bring the second one. Or I think it's the same thing. Let's see. Okay, it's not the same.
Just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Who is speaking is command center. He's afraid of nobody. So running or sitting from your checkpoint, you're just wasting your time. I know they will still send you and you'll come back. As long as my master said that one of you that will come to Biafra land and no stop. So we are ready. After Abba, now we are coming down to Amabia very soon. This week, as I'm talking. So you saboteurs, we know it all. Oh, villages in Amabia, you are sabotaging your people. We know you. And your name is with us. Those other men that normally go and sit with the soldiers, they discuss. We don't want to see any Igbo man sitting with the soldiers and just checking points. From now henceforth, I will take child, I will take those beer bands that they are using in terms of monitoring team, we know you all. They use you. You started pointing at people. You saw things at sit at home on Thursday. That particular young man that was driving a brother, following those boys, he also saw you. He saw you. But let today be the first and the last. No matter where you come from. Any more move of such, you become a dead man. Thanks.
Okay, that's the message from the Biafran Liberation Army about people that are associating with security agencies in Nigeria, people that are selling beers, girls that are going to barracks to, once you have a boyfriend of a soldier man, of course, you go out and commit anything and they will back you up. So there's kind of a joy and something they benefit from that. And that is what these men are trying to stop. So I love this our brother Daniel Somtochukwu. He's a former Nigerian military man. He said conference and lectures on how the Biafran Civil War was fought. Okay, is it now clear? Wait for the camera. So, okay, he said, is it now clear to you that there are ongoing war between Nigeria and Biafra, it is non-official. So they are having, and Biafrans are also penetrating the meeting as well. So this is the meeting they had. I don't on how the Biafran war was fought. They are trying to lecture them and telling them what to do and all that. So people are paying attention. So if there's no war and preparation of war, why are they discussing about Biafran Nigerian civil war? This is to tell you that everything is going on. The voice I'm hearing here sounds like go on, to be honest with you. Let me see if you can. Yeah, I told you. I said it that look at it. Remarks by General Yakubu Gowon. He's the one telling them about Nigerian civil war, lecturing them on what happened, probably encouraging them on how to do it again. I know his voice. I thank God this person they put his name here. So let me flip the camera and see if you can hear it at all, because the volume is very, very small, very, very low. Let's see if you can hear it at all. I don't quite get what he's saying. I can't even hear what he's saying. Anyway, let's just not waste much time on that, because whatever he said doesn't really matter. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. We are going to close the, stop the broadcast now. For us to come back later, let our broadcast. Hopefully, I will make it, but please subscribe in case if I come live, so that you will be notified. Okay, thank you so much, and don't forget to share the video. Share it and tell us what you think about all we have discussed so far. Take care and enjoy your day, enjoy your evening. Bye bye for now. Kadibia, I see you. Kadibia say bye. Thank you, my brother. See you again. Bye bye for now.